I'm going to try to stay out of your way. Just going to put that on there. Like I said, it's almost like wallpaper paste. It doesn't even really want to roll too well. It'll get going here pretty quick, I think. Now there's only so thick I can put it on. You know, I'm almost just kind of swishing it on. And I'm trying not to go too hard on it. I just kind of want to slide it on there. And build it up a little bit. See, for this small little area, this 6-inch mini roller is going to work just fine. It's almost like putting paint on, really thick paint. Okay. And I'm just going to keep it going. You could almost pour some on the floor and just swish it around, but I might have a tendency to waste some of it. I'm just going to keep doing it out of my pan, that's fine. When I was at the store picking up all the stuff initially, I should have got more than 1 gallon of this stuff. I did the same thing with my screws. I thought, oh, I've got enough. And I had to go back to the store twice to get more 2-inch screws. 2 times for building everything underneath this floor. Word to the wise, when you're getting stuff from the store, hey, you can always take stuff back that you're not going to use. Make sure you get enough to do your project, you know. My 2x6s, I got plenty of 2x6s. I went ahead and got extras, as a matter of fact. Because I wasn't quite sure exactly how many I was going to need for underneath. I mean, I was close. If I would have just got the stuff that was on my list, I think I would have barely had enough, but maybe not. I got four 2x6s left, 10-footers, and that's it. And whether or not I have 1 extra or 4 extra, I still got to go back to the store, you know, so I just didn't want to try to get it right to the exact amount I needed. So I just got extra at the store. And I should have done that with this sealer, with this roof coating material. I should have just got extra. I don't know why I didn't. Because I have a feeling I'm going to need more. Now, if I was just doing one coat, I would have plenty. Or just 2 small coats. You know, but I've got a feeling I'm going to put on more. And this nap, I think it was plenty. I could have gotten a 1-inch, and it's raising up little edges, which is fine, because when I put the next coat on, it'll help it grab even. Okay. Now I'm working myself into a corner again. But I got my exit route. I'm just going to come out where the camera is, and then hopefully this stuff will dry enough to where I can put on another coat before dark. I don't think it takes too long for it to dry. They have different material, like this one I'm using, in 5-gallon containers, so you can just dip your roller right into a 5-gallon bucket. Thought that was kind of slick. I didn't need 5. I didn't think I needed 5 gallons. Thought if anything, maybe 2 and a pinch 3. I wasn't quite sure. It just depends, I guess, how many coats of this I want to put on, huh? Slop it on there. Don't try to take it all off. You're trying to build the floor up a little bit. You see when this stuff dries, it's like it has a rubbery texture to it. That's what the elastomeric has in it, is rubbery stuff. Wobbly. And they have paint you can put on the house like that. They actually have caulking you can get with the elastomeric in it. I use that stuff a lot. And they even have paint that you can mix up that is elastomeric. Lots of painters don't like using it because when they spray it on the exterior, like on stucco, it doesn't go through your paint machine, your paint rig very easily, and it's harder to clean up. And then when you spray it on the wall, like I saw these guys do it, they sprayed it on the wall on stucco, exterior stucco. You had to have one guy spraying it, and then you had to have another guy back rollering it with a roller because it was so thick. But it's a good way to do your stucco, especially if you have a smooth stucco, your exterior. Let's say you got smooth stucco. Put that elastomeric paint on it, and if you get any little hairline cracks in your stucco, cracks will be on the back side, but your elastomeric paint is going to bridge right over it, and that stuff will stretch. Your paint will stretch, oh, up to maybe, I don't know, 3/16, quarter inch. And so lots of your cracks on your stucco can be fixed that way, or you can prevent leaks, you know. If you have stucco that's got cracks on it now and you've got certain leaks, maybe think about putting elastomeric paint right over your stucco. Even this type of stucco that's here on the walls here, it's not, you know, it's smooth, but it's got sand in it and it's got a roughness to it. You could put elastomeric paint over that if you had to, if you had many cracks, let's say. Okay, that's it. That's my first coat. I can't do anything more to this just yet, can I? Until that dries enough where I can walk on it and apply another coat. And I'm hoping that I can do that before the end of the day. And I really didn't want to wash out my brush or anything.